If you want to customize Samsung Galaxy A36 5G Edge panel, first of all, when you open it, you can simply click on this icon, and right now you can quickly remove or add apps that you are using the most often, like this. Now, when you finish, you can click here in the right upper corner, and you can also find this split screen view mode, so we can touch and hold it or simply tap. You can also turn on and off some additional features, like this useful feature, and additionally, you can even show up the recent apps. They will be available just right here. And right now, if you want to add some other panels, you can also do this. You will have to simply go into settings. Then you will have to go into display, select Edge panel, and here click panels and simply add another one. Now when you open it, you can simply swipe into the left or the right side to change between different Edge panels. And once you actually tap on it, you can still edit and customize them. So if I want to go to the people, I'll have to grant permission into my contacts, and I can simply replace them.